Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and I'm excited to bring you the quick review of the Amare Coloso. This is going to be one of my favorite knives because I really like large knives. So let's pull this one out, show you what comes in the box. Have a spec sheet from Amare. Everybody knows by now that Amare is a collaboration between a German company and Real Steel, which makes nice knives. Here is the Coloso at first glance. We'll go over the specs with you real quick. Its weight is 8.5 ounces. Actually, I think it's probably a little bit more, but that's what it says at least. It's a D2 blade. The blade itself is just under 4 inches. The knife is 9 1/4 from tip to hilt. Blade thickness is 0.16 millimeters. Has a PVD coating on it. Obviously this knife is a beast for a size. We'll look at the back of it here. It has some nice barrel spacers in it. I really like those. Pocket clip. It's not deep carry, but it's not bad. I mentioned that it was D2. It's a good size for your hand. In comparison, this is one of my old knives, one of my favorite ones. This is the Kaiser 4435. As you can see, they are pretty much equal in size. This is the kind of knife that I like. Still one-handable. You just closes easily, flips nicely, has ceramic ball bearing for the pivot, spot for a lanyard hole. I like the little design on the handle there. G10, of course. Let's show you how it cuts. My guess is it'll cut very quickly and easily, even if I were holding a tree. Cut through that pretty quickly. It's a little difficult for me to hold because the other day a Real Steel Metamorph decided to bite my hand and leave me with some stitches. First time in a long time that's happened, but we all know whose fault that was. Cut some jute here. I think this is kind of overkill. You know, we should probably have something a little thicker there. Then we'll bring it through some thicker stuff. We'll just roll it up. It don't really matter how many times I should roll it. You can see it just cuts right through it like it wasn't even there, which is what I expected. So obviously this one's going in my collection. We're going to have one of these, keep one of these there. MSRP I think is somewhere between $95 to $99. At AtlanticKnife.com we have them for $76. This is a lot of knife for $76. D2 steel. Of course, a little cutout there lets you really get down on it. We like that a lot. As we wrap this up, I want to remind everybody on IG to like and follow. On YouTube, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe. And comment. We love comments. The more comments you give, the happier we are. We will always try our best to respond. We get to almost all of them. So this will be the end for the Amare Coloso. And I am C, and I am signing off.